Welcome to another video of my how-to series. We're coming to you from Victoria, BC. My name is Casey Dofoo, and today I am going to show you how to use chopsticks. So, brand new pair of chopsticks. Bamboo are always easier to use than plastic or metal. Metal seem to be heavy. Plastic are really smooth and silky, hard to hold on to things. So I always rub mine so that I don't get slivers in them. That sucks. Don't want to get a sliver in your mouth. So I rotate them. See how I move it with my hands and rub them back and forth. So, first off, pretty simple. Hold it in the hook of your thumb, rest it on your finger. The higher you hold the chopstick, the more leverage you get. Second, pinch it with your finger and your thumb. Keep the bottom of your hand still and just move your thumb and your finger. Pretty simple. Next thing you gotta practice, catch a fly.
Or move the beans.
Oh, move the beans. Yep, move the beans.
Yeah.
Or practice with rice. Pick up little grains of rice, drop them over here. Pick up beans. Mushrooms are really fun because they're nice and slippery. So, grab some mushrooms.
And when you get really good at it, you can split them with your chopsticks.
Yep. Or you just do it the white man way or Lily way and stab them.
What's the name?
Pangoa.
Oh, didn't even have to ask for spicy sauce. I like it.
I got the Buddha saute. Carrots weren't cut up, so I had to get different side. Apparently it's a meat.
Throw my terrible chopsticks still. I'm not that bad. And I've been using chopsticks like my entire life now. And this is how I do it. Just so I use spoon because I'm not that good at it. Oh.
So, once again, place your chopstick in the palm of your hand, in the ball between your finger and your thumb. Rest it on your finger. Pinch the other one. Pretty simple. Practice grabbing your items. Feed it in your mouth. Chicken.
Oh, yours is noodle, that's why. Mine's not, it's a rice.
Oh.
See?
So when I get noodles, I just try to get, a simple mouthful.
I'm not gonna mix it up. I'm gonna try mine. try to? Don't like it. Is it peanut sauce? That's so bad.
Well,
See, this is
you're
why
more Asian than me. She can't.